Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to make this quick video for you guys detailing more of my programming journey. Just so you guys know, I've been programming for about 7 to 9 years now. I started programming, I believe, in 2011, so it's been 9 years. It's been a crazy journey. I've made a lot of cool projects. I've met a lot of cool people from it. So let's dive in. Well, actually, before we dive in, let me show you guys where I work from. This is my workstation over here. As you see right here, this is my streaming slash video editing PC. It's dual screen, so I have a monitor here too. So I just use this I play my games on this computer too, so it's my gaming, streaming, and video editing PC. Over here though, we have the PC where I code at. So this is my setup for coding. It's a MacBook Pro 2017. I have tri-screen setup here. So this is where I get all my coding done and things like that. So I have a pretty sick setup, guys. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of the video. So I started coding around 2011. I was a game designer in college, and I just didn't feel like I knew what my direction was as a game designer. So I talked to my advisor, and he told me, hey, why don't you switch over to programming? So I switched over to game programming. Or he really didn't tell me to switch over to game programming. I told him I wanted to switch to game programming. And right away, he dropped me in this 300 level programming class in Unity. If you guys don't know what Unity is, it's a big platform for developing games. A lot of big games use Unity. So he put me in this 300 level class. I sat down in front of the computer and there was code on the screen. Back then, it looked like complete gibberish and I had no clue what was going on. But I quickly learned from my peers and my professor the ins and outs of programming. The code he had on screen actually was the Super Mario Bros. 3 ghosts. He had coded that into Unity. So when you look at the ghosts, they freeze, and when you look away, they chase you. That's what he had coded in Unity, and it was pretty cool. One of the next classes I had, taught by one of my favorite professors, Pilati, was a class that was in C#. We were using XNA. XNA was what they used to develop games for Xbox 360 and for PC a few years ago, like when 360 was out and about. Not now though, I don't think. So that was the next class I had. It wasn't too hard of a class. We just spent time making games. What the professor would normally do is he would come in with a base project, and we would add on to the project to make it look like we were making a full-fledged game. So that was really exciting. I made this Zelda Labyrinth game where a key spawns. You have to get to the key and open the door. I mean, each level was different. What else have I had? I also took a Flash class with Pilati. Flash uses ActionScript 3. I don't know if that's what Flash uses now. I haven't used Flash in a very long time. So I just want you to guys know I did code in ActionScript 3 at one point. Another language I use, I've also used PHP and HTML. I recently built a social network that's basically PHP and HTML5. It's just a simple post room or chat room where you can just go to talk to people. It's been live for over a year now, but it's live now, but there's bugs, so it's not really up and running. You can go to the website and check it out, but you can't get past the post page, as I know right now. Also, if you guys didn't know, I did publish my own iOS apps while I was in college. As a game programmer in college, your final thesis is to make a game. So I made 4 games for iOS that got 20,000 downloads on the App Store, so I'm really proud of that too. So I just want to let you guys know how I really got started, what kind of languages I'm familiar with, and how I got started programming. If you guys are interested, there'll be more videos coming on programming, so hit that subscribe button. But I think that's all we have for you guys today. See you guys later.